Hi, welcome to a video tutorial from Equator. In this video we are going to use TI-34 scientific calculator to do degree and radian angle conversion. This video is part of a full video manual for this calculator. The link to watch that video is below this video in the description. Now let's do some angle conversion between degree and radian. We have an angle menu, second function, an angle. We will see DMS, which refers to degree, minute, and second. And then we have RP, rectangular and polar conversion. To convert to a specific unit, the calculator must be in the target unit. This is example number 1. And we can specify the unit by pressing mode. And here it's in radian. I can go to the right, press, and it is selected. Press clear to exit, for example. And let's convert 45 degrees to radian. First, we have to be in radian, which we already did. Radian, if not, go to the right and enter, exit. And type 45, second function angle, and 1 is degree. Because we already have selected radian here, if I press it, we will get the answer. It's pi/4. If you want to toggle the answer to see a decimal value, you can do that. Example number 2, convert 30 radians to degree. Now the target unit is degree. We will select degree by pressing mode. Go to the left. It's already selected. Just press enter. Degree is selected. Clear to exit. Now we want to convert 30 degrees. 30 and second function angle, and this time go down. Number 4 is radian. When you press 4, R appears, which means 30 radian, and the unit to be converted is degree. Press enter, and that is the angle. Now let's have a look at this degree, minute, and second. It will be represented this way, and there will be degree. For minute we have 1 apostrophe. For second it's double quote or double apostrophe. Now to convert this to decimal, we can type 5, second function angle, degree, that's the first one, and then 18, second function math, and 2 is minute, and then 3 is degree, 35, second function math, and 3. And 3 is the second. So press equal. We have converted it to a value in decimal value. Now let's solve this problem. Two adjacent angles measure 25 minutes and 36 seconds. And this is one angle, and the second one is 7 degrees, 1 minute and 20 seconds, respectively. Add two angles, round the result into two decimal places. Now, let's see, we want to add one angle to the other angle. And because this is missing the degree, we have to enter 0. So I'm starting, so that's very important. I'm starting with 0 second function angle, 0 second function angle 1 degree, 25 second function angle 2, and then 36 second function angle 3. Now we added. Now let's add plus, and then the second portion 7, 11, 20. So 7 degree, that's 1, 11 second degree 2, that's minute, and then 20 second function angle and 3. So everything is there. Press equal sign, and that is the answer. Thank you for watching. This was the full video instruction manual for this TI-34 Multiview scientific calculator. Please thumb up the video, and also please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it. If you have comment or question, post it at the comment section below. I try to answer and reply. If you want to purchase this calculator, the affiliated links are below this video. If you purchase it, I will get some commission. It will help me. Thank you.